Are your Cash App payments getting blocked with the dreaded message, "Payment failed for my protection"? Don't worry, you're not alone. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this issue step by step so you can send money without frustration. Stick with me till the end because I'll show you the fastest way to get a real solution directly from Cash App support. First, open the Cash App on your phone and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. This will open your account settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Support. From the Support menu, choose Sending Payments. Once you're inside the Sending Payments section, scroll down again and tap Contact Support or Chat. This is the most direct way to reach a live support agent. In the chat box, type a clear message like, "My payments keep failing," and it says, "Payment failed for my protection. Please review my account and help me fix this." Being specific here is important. It lets their team know exactly what the problem is and speeds up the resolution. Once you've typed your message, hit send and wait for a response from the Cash App team. This method is the most reliable fix because it connects you directly to Cash App support, who can check if there's a security flag or issue with your account and get it resolved. And that's it. Following these steps should get your payments working again in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Cash App fixes and tips. And if you've had success with this method, drop a comment below to help others out.